In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oberlo with Shopify. We are going to keep things simple and walk through the exact setup you need inside your Shopify account. If you follow along carefully, you will have Oberlo connected and ready to use so you can work with products from Oberlo inside Shopify. First, you need to open your Shopify admin. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct store, since the admin area is where all app installation and settings live. When you open Shopify admin, you will typically see the dashboard and a left-hand menu with several sections. This is where you will start the process. Next, go to the apps area. In Shopify admin, this is usually found in the navigation menu, or you can look for an option that relates to apps. The goal here is to reach the section where you can browse and manage applications connected to your store. Spend a second locating that area now, because everything after this depends on being in the right place. Once you are in the Apps section, you will want to search for the Oberlo-related tool you are installing. The next step is to search for decessors. On screen, you should see a search field where you can type a keyword. Click into the search box and enter DSS exactly as prompted. This step matters because it helps you reach the correct app page quickly, so you do not have to browse endlessly. After you have entered the search term, look for the app listing that appears as a result. You should see an install or add option on the listing. Now click Install to begin the installation process. At this point, Shopify may show a confirmation message or prompt you to approve the installation. This is normal. You are basically telling Shopify that you want to add the app to your store and allow it to connect to the parts it needs. And as Lisa click Install, watch for the app installation to start. Depending on your account and Shopify settings, the installation may take a few moments. You might see a loading screen or progress indicator. Do not close the page while it is installing. Instead, wait until Shopify finishes, because interruptions can sometimes lead to incomplete setup. When the installation completes, you will typically be able to view the app in your Shopify apps list. This is where you confirm that Oberlo-related functionality is now connected. Spend a moment scanning the interface to make sure the app appears in your installed apps. If you do see it there, that is a strong sign the installation succeeded. At this stage, you have completed the key actions needed to get the app into your Shopify environment. The rest of your work would be about using the app inside your store, but the instructions you provided focus specifically on reaching the correct area and performing the installation steps. To wrap up, you opened Shopify admin, navigated to apps, used the search function to find decessors, and then selected Install to add it to your store. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.